Greetings from Värmdö, from Björnö Nature Reserve, on this spontaneous nude beach spot at this amazing cliffs here in the nature reserve. This is one of my favorite spots on the sea, as the water here is almost always super clean and super salty indeed, as we're facing here the open sea, but we are also on the coast where we can get by public transport. And from the bus station, which is Björnö Nature Reserve, to here it's around 1 kilometer walk. Very nice one. And I was also picking blueberries along the way that I'm gonna eat, and I'm gonna pick also some more for the way back, as there is infinite number of blueberries. I'm picking by hand, so I'm thinking of getting some tool that you can pick faster, but then you need to clean the greens, the leaves and the rest also as well. But blueberry season is on, sea season is on, 11th of July, the day is today, and beach day number 88 on my Sweden beach adventures. Not so far away from here there is also a port, so that's why there are some boats going in and out. But let's see how long the sun will be up. It seems that it's gonna be partly cloudy also today. But I'm curious also the temperature of the sea, since I haven't been here for a while. Outdoors we are dealing with 22 degrees Celsius. Under the sun it's a lot warmer, and there is not much wind currently here. Okay, the water feels very cold. It's going to be somewhere around between 15 to 17, I think. Yesterday when I was in Grislinge, it was a bit colder than I expected it to be, as that's a closed surface. And yes, here we have just 15 degrees Celsius. So yeah, not the best temperature, but to be fair, also in the lakes the water has cooled down. But we are looking towards a hot weekend and hot next week as well. So let's then get going and go in for a swim while I show you more of this beauty. Now I wanted to jump, but I'm now reconsidering that, as I know from this end is a bit deep, I mean to say. So we'll just need to get in somehow. But there is a huge long rock formations like this, so you can find your own inner peace indeed. And I'm in with the legs. It feels a bit chilly, I'm not gonna lie, but it is the sea and it's supposed to be like that as well. So ready, set and go! I love it. It's so beautiful. Beautiful nature all around. Perfect for a swim and enjoyment in the sea as well. I love it. A bit chilly, I'm not gonna lie, but it's bearable indeed. So, greetings from Björnö Nature Reserve. This continues nudist beach spot, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.